Next problem two discs is given have same thickness and mass. Their materials of densities T1 and T2. Find their moment of inertia about their center axis. Here keyword in the problem, mass is constant, thickness is constant. Okay. Here given keyword in the problem disc. Disc, circular disc can see moment of inertia basic formula is I equal to mr square by 2. Okay. Here moment of inertia and density relation can be first find out because in the given data is density. Okay. Moment of inertia density relation can write. Here look here nana. Here we know that mass is always constant, no doubt. 2 is a constant. R can be converted in terms of density. We know that mass write as volume into density. Okay. Here mass equal to volume write as area into thickness. According to question, thickness also constant. Okay. Area into rho. Area of the circular disc is neatly write as pi r square t rho. According to question, mass constant, pi constant, thickness also constant. According to this relation, r square inversely proportional to rho. Here write none. According to question, I directly proportional to r square because mass is a constant. 2 is a constant according to question. According to this relation, r square write as 1 by rho. Some textbooks rho write as d. Rho anna density, d anna density. So that's why simply call as I1 by I2 equal to d2 by d1. Okay? Do you understand? Here, keyword in the problem, mass is a constant, thickness is a constant. Write moment of inertia in terms of density. Okay. Next model discuss next model. It is a very important model. Here keyword in the problem is question. Keyword in the problem is question. Adhe is and question read perfectly at the same time. The question is moment of inertia of the cylinder about its own axis equal to. Again I repeat, moment of inertia of the cylinder about its own axis is equal to moment of inertia of a axis passing through center normal to length. Here this is the cylinder, this is the geometrical axis equal to. Here this is the cylinder, here axis passing through center and perpendicular to length. Here, according to geometrical axis, given body name is cylinder. Cylinder is nothing but the circular disc. Solid cylinder and circular disc. Hollow cylinder and ring. This is solid cylinder. Aim and solid cylinder. I formula is mr square by 2 equal to. Okay? ఇలా ఉందనుకోండి యాక్సిస్ పాసింగ్ త్రూ సెంటర్ అండ్ పర్పెండిక్యులర్ టు లెంత్ ఉంటే m ఇంటూ l స్క్వేర్ బై 12 ప్లస్ r స్క్వేర్ బై 4. హియర్ m cancel. హియర్ ప్లస్ అదర్ సైడ్ మైనస్ r స్క్వేర్ బై 2 మైనస్ r స్క్వేర్ బై 4 ఈక్వల్ టు l స్క్వేర్ బై 12. హియర్ half minus power r square by 4 equal to l square by 12 Here 4 how many times get 3 times. R square by l square equal to 1 by 3 R by here to determine L by R L by R means L square by R square reverse 3 by 1. L by R equal to root 3 is to root 1. Next another problem is 7th is conceptual question. Next I discuss 8th problem. Look here 8th problem. Here 27 smaller spheres and all smaller spheres combined to form a Here to determine, here once again I repeat, smaller spheres combined to form a heavier sphere. Find moment of inertia of the big sphere by moment of inertia of the smaller sphere. Moment of inertia of a sphere formula is 2 by 5 mr square. Mass write as volume into density. Volume write as 4 by 3 pi r cube. So that's why I directly proportional to r power 5. ఇలా small spheres combined అవుతుంటే first year survey attention capital R equal to n power 1 by 3 into small r. Finally we get here neatly write as this is the formula. Once again repeat, moment of inertia of the big sphere by moment of inertia of each smaller sphere equal to n power 5 by 3. Here n indicate number of small drops. According to question, I big by I small can be calculated. I big by I small, that means small of the each sphere given by I. Here number of drops also given 27 whole power 5 by 3. 27 write as 3 cube whole power 5 by 3. 3 what? Cancel. 27 into 3 81. 81 into 3 243. Okay, this is the formula. Final answer now we get. Next very important model, 9th problem. This is the final exam question, JEE mains question. Look here, a uniform rod length L is held vertically on the horizontal floor fixed at lower end. The rod allowed to fall on the ground. Find its angular velocity at that instant to reach the ground. Okay, the question I can explain diagrammatically. This is the rod. This rod length is given. L. This rod fall and touches the ground. Here find the angular velocity of the rod when touches the ground. That is the question. Here lifting of energy and potential energy and according to law of conservation of energy neither be created nor be destroyed, but energy converted one form to other form. Here lifting of energy, potential energy, it will be move and kinetic energy. Okay, potential energy formula is mgh. కానీ సెంటర్ ఆఫ్ మాస్ కాన్సెప్ట్ ప్రకారం సెంటర్ ఆఫ్ మాస్ ఎక్కడ ఉంటుంది? సెంటర్ ఆఫ్ మాస్ టు ఫిక్స్డ్ ఎండ్ ఎంత డిస్టెన్స్ ఉంది అంటే L/2. సో హియర్ అకార్డింగ్ టు సెంటర్ ఆఫ్ మాస్ కాన్సెప్ట్ h write as L/2 because the rod stand because of center of mass. రాడ్ ఎందుకు స్టాండ్ అయింది? సెంటర్ ఆఫ్ మాస్. ఇది రాడ్ రొటేట్ అవుతుంది కాబట్టి దిస్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ రొటేషనల్ కైనెటిక్ ఎనర్జీ. In the physics, rotational kinetic energy formula of I omega square. Generally it is half m v square. Mass ki analogous moment of inertia, v ki analogous linear velocity ki analogous angular velocity. Here m, look here g L/2 equal to half. Okay, here axis, according to this axis the rod is rotated. That means this axis passing through one end. The axis passing through one end is a uniform rod I ki formula ml square by 3. For example, this is the rod. The axis passing through center and I ki formula ml square by 12. The axis passing through one end is ml square by 3. ml square by 3. పక్కనే ఉంది omega square. m వాట్నా క్యాన్సిల్. ఓకేనా, నీట్గా రాస్తే 2 క్యాన్సిల్, 1l క్యాన్సిల్. హియర్ ఇట్ విల్ బి ఒమేగా ఈక్వల్ టు అండర్ రూట్ 3g/l. దీంట్లో ఇంకొక క్వశ్చన్ ఉంది ఫైండ్ ద లీనియర్ వెలాసిటీ ఎట్ ద టచెస్ ఆన్ ద గ్రౌండ్. లీనియర్ వెలాసిటీ అండ్ యాంగులర్ వెలాసిటీ రిలేషన్ is v equal to r omega. Generally this is the rod fixed at lower end. It will be rotated in this direction. center అయితే ఇది ఏమవుతుంది నాన్న రేడియస్ ఈజ్ నథింగ్ బట్ ద లెంత్ ఆఫ్ ద రాడ్ నాన్న సో దట్స్ వై v equal to r is nothing but the length of the rod omega right as 3g by l inside nana v equal to under root 3g l square by l1l cancel finally we get root 3gl. Okay, next problem I discuss nana 10th problem here nana this is the IIT problem. Okay, look here 10th problem nana. This is the rod nana. I can explain the question. This is the rod. This rod length is L nana. This rod mass is M. Here axis is passing through one end. This end name is P. Other end of the rod is Q. This is the axis. Okay. According to this axis, to determine the moment of inertia. Generally nana rod one end gunda axis pote ml square by 3 center gunda pote ml square by 12 kani here this axis is not perpendicular to the rod nana some angle makes an angle ide ganaka axis ganaka perpendicular gunda pote appudu ml square by 3 kani ikkada axis makes some angle with the rod nana look here. I take some part nana, some small part nana. Is some small part thickness dx. మరి ఇక్కడ నుంచి ఇక్కడికి ఎంత డిస్టెన్స్ ఉంది అనుకుందాం x అనుకుందామా ఓకేనా ఇదిగోనా రాడ్ లెంత్ l రాడ్ మాస్ m హియర్ dx నుంచి యాక్సిస్ కున్న డిస్టెన్స్ ఎంత అనుకుందాం x అనుకుందాం ఓకే జనరల్లీ మొమెంట్ ఆఫ్ ఇనర్షియా డెఫినిషన్ ఈస్ mr స్క్వేర్ ఓకే హియర్ L length की mass m नाना यूनिट length की mass ఎంత నానా m by l dx length की mass ఎంత m by l into dx here right నానా m by l into dx completed. r అంటే perpendicular distance from axis to particle. This is the particle నానా this is the axis this is the perpendicular distance నానా okay. Here, according to this diagram, look here, this is x, okay, this is the perpendicular distance, this is called r now. R is called perpendicular distance between particle to axis. I assume this is the particle to axis perpendicular distance. Here r can be determined. This angle is theta. This is opposite side, this is hypotenuse side. Opposite by hypotenuse in the mathematics sin theta nana r by x. Here r is write as neatly x sin theta nana whole square. Neatly write as look here nana m by l dx. Here write x square into sin square theta. Look here nana. This is small part consider. So this is di small moment of inertia. Small becomes large, we apply integrating on both sides nana, integrating of di, integrating of m by l into dx, x square sin square theta, okay. Integration of di right as I nana, in the right side common term is m by l, okay. M by l common term constant nana. And sin square theta also common. Integration of x square dx is again total rod length 0 to l. Here neatly write as m by l sin square theta. X square integration is x power 3 by 3 nana. X power n dx formula x to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1 0 to l nana. Here lower limit not substitute because 0. Here upper limit only substitute x is replaced by l nana. So that's why finally we get l cube by 3 nana. Here 1l cancel nana. Here neatly write as 1 by 3 ml square sin square theta. This is the formula in this problem. Okay. Next nana I discuss very important model. 11th problem nana, look here. This is also final exam problem, NEET problem nana. Look here nana. This is the square nana. square. Here in the square, this is the sphere, this is the sphere, this is the sphere, this is the sphere. Here, how many spheres are arranged in Nana? 4 spheres are arranged at the corners of the square. Okay? Here, square side length also given Nana, L. Okay? Question is, axis passing through one side. This is the axis Nana, x dash. Here, the axis passing through one side. According to this axis, find the moment of inertia of the system. Here, మొత్తం ఎన్ని స్పియర్స్ ఉన్నాయి? 4 స్పియర్స్ ఉన్నాయి. కాబట్టి moment of inertia is a scalar nana. So that's why 4 spheres I1, I2, I3, I4 nana. Look here nana. Look here. Numbering is ఇది 1 అంటాను, ఇదేమంటాను nana 2 అంటాను, ఇదేమంటాను 3 అంటాను, ఇదేమంటాను 4 అంటాను. ఇప్పుడు నెంబర్ 1 చూద్దాం. దీని పరంగా యాక్సిస్ పాసింగ్ త్రూ డయామీటర్ నన్న, దాంతోపాటు వాడు I1 ఏమిచ్చాడు అంటే I1 ఏమిచ్చాడు అంటే సాలిడ్ స్పియర్ అని ఇచ్చాడు. సాలిడ్ స్పియర్ యాక్సిస్ పాసింగ్ త్రూ డయామీటర్ అయితే I అంటే ఫార్ములా 2/5 mr². అయిపోయింది. సెకండ్, here also axis passing through one side of the sphere ante here also axis passing through diameter of the second sphere. The formula is 2/5 mr². According to third, here దీని పరంగా ఇక్కడ ఉంది నాన్న యాక్సిస్. యాక్చువల్గా ఇది ఎగ్జిమ్డ్ యాక్సిస్ అయితే ఇది ICM అవుతుంది నాన్న. ఇప్పుడు ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ చూడండి, ఇదిగో ఈ థర్డ్ బాడీ ఇక్కడ యాక్సిస్ ఉంది. ఓకేనా? ఇది మూమెంట్ ఆఫ్ ఇనర్షియా డిటర్మైన్ చేయాలి. ఇక్కడ ఒక ఎగ్జిమ్డ్ యాక్సిస్ తీసుకుంటా. ఈ యాక్సిస్ ఎలా పాస్ అవుతుంది? థర్డ్ బాడీకి డయామీటర్ సెంటర్ ఆఫ్ మాస్ కాబట్టి ICM అంటే ఫార్ములా ఏంటి? 2/5 mr². Here these two axes are parallel. We apply parallel axis theorem. I అంటే ఫార్ములా ICM plus m into small r². Here ICM is determined 2/5 mr² plus m into, here r అంటే perpendicular distance between two axes. ఇదిగో ఈ యాక్సిస్ కి మధ్య డిస్టెన్స్ ఎంత? స్క్వేర్ సైడ్ లెంత్ ఎంత? L. కాబట్టి r is nothing but the L. మళ్ళా చెప్తున్నానా, వినండి నీట్గా. This is the given axis nana. This is the third body, third sphere. Here this is assumed axis. This axis passing through center of mass. Solid sphere ICM formula is 2/5 mr². This axis parallel. According to this axis, to determine the moment of inertia of a given body, both are parallel. Which theorem applicable? Parallel axis theorem. I and a formula ICM plus mr². ICM already we know that solid sphere is 2/5 mr² plus m into r. R and a perpendicular distance between two axes. This sphere to this sphere perpendicular distance is nothing but the side length of the square, that is L². Simply call as I3 write as 2/5 mr² plus ml². I4 also same 2/5 mr² plus ml². Neatly write as 2/5 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. చివరికి 8/5 mr² will get plus ఇదిగో నాన్న ml² ఉండొచ్చు డేటా ml² plus ml² 2 ml². This is the final exam question nana. Very easiest question because both the axes are parallel. We apply parallel axis theorem. Parallel axis theorem formula is I equal to ICM plus mr². 12th problem. Look here, this 12th problem is a very important model. For example, first I take a ring, a complete ring mass m, radius r. Axis passing through, okay? Center of mass and perpendicular to plane. This is the ring nana. Generally, ring moment of inertia formula is basic formula is mr². Okay? But Nana, according to question, in this ring, initial mass is M Nana. Here, 30-degree part is removed Nana. How much part is removed? 30-degree part is removed. Okay? That means some mass is removed. Here, to calculate mass of the remaining means Nana, remaining mass is total mass minus removed mass. Okay? First, this can be calculated. Once again, I repeat now. Here, initially, complete ring is there. After some time, 30 degrees part is removed. 30 degrees part is removed means remaining mass of the ring is given right as total mass of the ring minus removed mass of the ring. Actually, total mass is M minus removed mass. How much part will be removed? 30 degrees. Generally, ring has 360 degrees nana. 2 pi mass m untadi nana. Unit ki enta untadi nana? M by 2 pi untadi. Enta mass remove ayindi? 30 degrees. 30 degrees in the mathematics write as pi by 3. Both side em chesina both side rayala. M by 2 pi into pi by 3. Pi by what? Cancel. That means removed part, removed is m by 2 into 3, 6. Neatly write as here LCM nana 6m minus m 5m by 6. This is the mass of the remaining part. Generally, what is the ring moment of inertia basic formula? mr square. Here, this is the mass of the remaining part nana. This is the mass of the remaining part nana. Okay? 1 minute now. Here, a small wrong mistake. Here 30 degrees right in the mathematics pi by 6. Pi by 6, 180 by 6, 30. Here also pi by 6. Here also m by 12 because 2 into 6 12. Here neatly write as 11 m by 12. Okay? Here mass of the remaining is 11 m by 12 into r square. This is the formula for moment of inertia of the remaining ring. The question agenda once again I can explain now. First, to take complete ring now, 30 degrees of the ring is removed and mass of the remaining ring I can calculate. Here I substitute now. Okay? Next now, another problem is most important problem. This is also removing part problem. This is also advanced JEE advanced problem now. Look here. This is the square now. The square side length is 4r now. Square and all sides have same length now. What is the length of the each side? 4r. Here we will be considered as a 4 parts now. In this part, each part here circular holes is removed now. Circular holes is removed. This is the square nana. In the square, here 4 holes is removed. Here also nana, moment of inertia of the system is nothing but the moment of inertia of the square minus 4 into I hole nana. Adenti sir ante initial ga only em undi square undi. Square lo nunchi initial ga square undi. Here 4 holes is removed in the shape. Each shape radius is given r nana. Okay? R nana. Each shape radius is given r nana. Okay? Here, actually, here some part is removed. In the previous problem also same in this manner. I system equal to I square minus 1 whole nana moment of inertia. And remove chesam 4. I remaining equal to I initial minus remove. Okay? I initial square nana. I square nana square unte moment of inertia formula is ml square by 6 nana. Okay? Mass is m. Okay, no problem. Into mass of the square is m nana. Mass of the square is m into L. Side length is given 4r whole square by 6 nana. The side length is 4r nana. Okay? Here nana m into m by 6 nana. Here 4 square and the 16 r square. 2 8s, 2 3s. Neatly I write as 8 by 3 mr square. This is the initially square is present. That's moment of inertia according to data. Next I hole can be calculated. Here I hole. Look here I hole here. Look here. This is the hole In the hole is nothing but the circular disc Circular disc formula is mr square by 2. Here radius of the disc is r given no problem. 2 is okay. Here small m can be determined first Generally total square area area of the square some area ki inta mass undi because 2 dimensional kada 2 dimensional kaabatti area తీసుకున్నాను area అంటే side into side square one side వాడు ఇచ్చాడు 4r అని 4r whole square ఏమవుతుంది 16r square కి m ఇచ్చాడు మరి యూనిట్ కి ఎంత అవుతుంది m by 16r square అవుతుంది మనకి కావాల్సింది circular hole nothing but the circular disc area formula ఏంటి pi r square ఏది చేసినా both side చేయాలి pi r square area కి ఎంత ఉంటుంది సార్ అంటే మాస్ m by 16r square into pi r square what cancel here I substitute I hole equal to small m write as capital M pi by 16 into r square by 2. This is the final answer This whole moment of inertia. Okay, because whole mass is not given square mass is given. What is the total square mass? Capital M. అంటే ఇంత ఏరియాకి క్యాపిటల్ M అయితే యూనిట్ ఏరియాకి m by a pi r square ఏరియాకి m by capital A into pi r square అది చేస్తే ఇది వచ్చింది ఇది ఒక హోల్ ఇప్పుడు మళ్ళీ డయాగ్రామ్ గీస్తాను చూడండి లుక్ హియర్ ఆల్ ఆఫ్ యూ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్ వెరీ ఈజీ ఇదిగో చూడండి ఇక్కడ ఈ యాక్సిస్ పరంగా కనుక్కున్నాం ఎందుకంటే సర్క్యులర్ డిస్క్ యాక్సిస్ పాసింగ్ త్రూ సెంటర్ ఆఫ్ మాస్ పర్పెండిక్యులర్ టు ప్లేన్ ఇస్ హియర్ బట్ వాడు ఇక్కడ ఇచ్చాడు యాక్సిస్ అకార్డింగ్ టు క్వశ్చన్ యాక్సిస్ పాసింగ్ త్రూ సెంటర్ ఆఫ్ స్క్వేర్ అన్నాడు ఇప్పుడు ఇది ఎలా ఉన్నాయి ప్యారలల్ we apply which theorem parallel axis theorem we know that parallel axis theorem is just previous problem ICM plus mr square this is the ICM what is the ICM m pi by 16 r square by 2 plus 2 m ante m here also once again here also mr square kada mr square small m here m right ide kada right m enta m pi by 16 small m కనుక్కున్నాం కదా ఇదే ఇంత ఏరియాకి m pi by 16 into small r into ఎంతనా small r అంటే డిస్టెన్స్ బిట్వీన్ టూ యాక్సిస్ ఇదొక యాక్సిస్ ఇదొక యాక్సిస్ ఇది ఒరిజినల్ యాక్సిస్ దీని పరంగా కనుక్కోవాలంటే ఇదే కదా ఇక్కడి నుంచి ఇక్కడికి ఓకేనా ఇక్కడి నుంచి ఇక్కడికి డిస్టెన్స్ ఎంత ఉంటుంది సర్క్యులర్ డిస్క్ రేడియస్ r ఇది కూడా r ఇది కూడా r రైట్ యాంగిల్ ట్రయాంగిల్ ప్రకారం ఇది ఏమవుతుంది √2r హియర్ √2r రాస్తే సింపుల్ గా 2r స్క్వేర్ వస్తుంది రెండిట్లో కామన్ చెప్పండి ఇక m pi by 16 కామన్ ఇంకా ఏముంది అంటే r స్క్వేర్ కామన్ ఇక్కడ 1/2 ఉంటుంది ఇక్కడ 2 ఉంటుంది అంతే కదా 1/2 ప్లస్ 2 5/2 వస్తుంది ఇది 5/2 ఇది I హోల్ యాక్చువల్లీ I సిస్టము అంటే we know that I ఇనిషియల్ గా స్క్వేర్ మైనస్ ఏం రిమూవ్ చేసాం 4 into I holes here I square we know that here finally we get 8/3 mr square minus 4 into I hole about this axis here can we calculate m pi by 16 r square into 5/2 here look here finally we get finally common term is ఏముంది కామన్ టర్మ్ mr square కామన్ తీసానుకో ఇక్కడ ఏం మిగులుతుంది 8/3 మిగులుతుంది ఇక్కడ 4 ఎన్ని టైమ్స్ పోతుంది 4 టైమ్స్ పోతుంది ఇక్కడ 5 by 4 into 2 ఎంత 8 ఇగో 5 8 mr square కామన్ కాబట్టి ఇక్కడ ఏం మిగులుతుంది అంటే 5 ఓకే దిస్ ఇస్ ద ఫైనల్ ఆన్సర్ నాన్న మెయిన్ ఎజెండా ఏమీ లేదు నాన్న రిమూవ్ ఉన్నప్పుడు I రిమైనింగ్ ఈక్వల్ టు I ఒరిజినల్ మైనస్ I రిమూవ్డ్ యాక్సిస్ పరంగా both the two axes parallel ఉంటే we apply parallel axis theorem నాన్న what is the parallel axis theorem I equal to ICM plus MR square. Next problem naana we discuss law of conservation of angular momentum. Law of conservation of angular momentum applicable only for earth strings naana and two discs attached collision internal torque or external torque becomes 0 ballet dancer void board system okay any internal once again I repeat ballet dancer a person stands on the turntable and next I discuss two discs are attached two discs are removed and again ballet dancer and again collision also seen in the problem we apply law of conservation of angular momentum in this problem keyword is earth strings nana earth ఏమైంది nana string అయింది ఎప్పుడైతే earth string అయిందో we apply law of conservation of angular momentum according to that law I omega equal to constant here earth అన్నప్పుడు solid sphere nana I की formula 2/5 mr square omega की formula 2/3 equal to constant according to this situation here keyword in the problem in the end density is there nana density is there so that's why first write density is nana mass ante volume into density nana volume into density okay mass ante volume into density volume of the sphere is 4/3 pi r cube into rho according to this relation mass is always constant earth strings means mass is constant volume change ante dini prakaram r cube inversely proportional to rho r inversely proportional to rho power 1/3 so that's why here write 2/5 m r square is there so that's why 1/rho power 2/3 into 2/t equal to constant according to this question earth strings means mass is constant 2/5 constant 2 constant simply it write as time period inversely proportional to density this is the relation nana according to this relation to solve the 14th problem okay next nana 15th also most important problem in the final exam nana this problem is given in the MSET 2012 nana look here a mass m is supported by the massless string we given the given diagram is given here this is the given diagram this fully is hollow cylinder nana here this will be fixed here okay here string is attached here this is here nana this is body nana body mass m fully mass hollow cylinder mass also smaller nana look here nana once again here this is the hollow cylinder okay this is the body hollow cylinder mass is smaller body mass also smaller here fully rotate annadu automatically the body moving what nana downward ante acceleration of the this body is non okay na here fully rotate means fully ಮೇಲೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತದೆ torque turning effect is called what nana torque ante first year formula torque ante another formula force into perpendicular distance here this is the tension body ki ela untadi ante fully ki this is the perpendicular distance this is called radius here torque ante force is nothing but the tension perpendicular distance is r okay r into t Here, this is the hollow cylinder, Nana. Hollow cylinder moment of inertia is hollow cylinder. Hollow cylinder, Nana. Hollow cylinder moment of inertia. Hollow cylinder is nothing but the circular ring. Ring formula basic mr square. Alpha write as a by r square cancel. Finally, we get t value ma, equation number 1. But according to this mass, weight always vertically downward, string lo unde force tension, body ఎలా ఉంటది away. In this diagram, what is the net force, Nana? Net force, it moving downward, so weight is more, so mg. Another force is t. Both are opposite direction according to diagram. Here right minus Newton second law, F equal to ma equal to mg minus t. Here already t value determined. What is the t value? ma. Here minus ma other side. ma plus ma, 2ma equal to mg. M cancel. What is the a value? G by 2. Okay. Next, Nana, last problem. Look here, Nana. The problem number is 16, Nana. In the 16, keyword in the problem is ballet dancer. Ballet dancer can see we apply law of conservation of angular momentum. According to question, I omega equal to constant. We seen ballet dancer, we seen earth shins, we seen circular disc attached, we seen collision. We apply law of conservation of angular momentum. I omega equal to constant. According to this equation, in this manner write I1 omega 1 equal to I2 omega 2. I1 ఏమి ఇవ్వలేదు అంటే 100%, I2 50% increases compared to initial. 50% means 100 plus 50, 150%. Omega 1 is given 60. Find omega 2 to determine in this formula, by using this formula to determine omega 2, Nana. Next problem, the last problem is 17. Hold the